Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to download and install Citrix Workspace software on our computers. The very first thing that we need to do is we should go to google.com and type Citrix Workspace download. Okay, so if you are using Windows operating system, you can select Windows. If you are using Mac operating system, you can select Mac. In my case, I am using Windows operating system, so I am going to select Windows and hit enter. It takes you to this screen, download Citrix Workspace app. I am going to click on it. So once you click on it, it will take you to this particular screen. If you see here, it says Workspace app for Windows, current release, and see the latest date here. It says November 3rd, 2025, which is the latest software. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply right click on it and try to download the software. See, it says November 3rd, 2025. It is .exe file. I'm going to click on download. Accept the license agreement. See, it is downloading the software. So this might take a few minutes. Once it is downloaded, we are going to install it on this computer. Alright, if you see now, the software has been downloaded successfully. What I am going to do is I am going to right click on the software and I am going to click on run as administrator to install the software. First, it is going to check all the prerequisites required to install this software. It says preparing your device for workspace installation, installing prerequisites. So if you see now, it is installing all the prerequisites required to install this software. Okay, you see, welcome to Citrix Workspace application. It says Citrix Workspace application gives you secure and unified access to all your apps and desktops with the convenience and freedom you need to get your work done. Click on continue. Click on I agree and click on continue. Here you see several add-ons here. You can just leave it as it is and click on install. So it is in the process of installing the software. It is going to take a couple of minutes. It says you are almost there. Alright, if you see now, Citrix Workspace software is installed successfully and you see this window on the screen. All you need to do is you have to close it and you should restart your computer. Once the software is installed, you have to restart the computer. And if you see here at the bottom right hand side, you also see the Citrix Workspace software icon. It means that the software is installed successfully. So please restart the computer and start connecting to your Citrix network. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.